Hi there, and welcome to the Baby Guru's YouTube TV channel. And my name is Karen Becker. I am the Baby Guru, and my whole mission is to take the mystery and the frustration out of product purchasing for new parents. And these videos are reminders for parents who are actively practicing the program who just have forgotten how to use their stuff. So here we go. Today we're going to do the Baby Jogger City Bistro high chair. There are a couple of different classifications of high chairs, and there's the kind of all-encompassing, do everything for you, reclining, movable, foldable, but they're pretty bulky. And then you've got that very European styling where you have items that just kind of look like furniture, that Stoker program where it's very minimalistic, but it kind of blends more into your furnishing settings. I feel like those are the two different programs. The City Bistro, I find, is something that sits right in the middle. It's not too bulky, it's all encompassing. It does pretty much everything that people are looking for. And on top of that, it folds really small, so it's portable and easy for on the go. So let's get started. Let's have a look at this fabulous product. So we'll start with the tray. The tray on the front is removable and it can be washed, but what's nice is it's got a removable top part. So for new parents who have never done this before, usually when you feed, there's a very large mess, and this is nice to be able to extract. It can go in the top shelf of your dishwasher and can get clean there. And it's just nice to get rid of that so you then can continue what you're doing in the kitchen or wherever this program is, and you can totally put some toys here. So your kids got something to do whilst you're busy doing what you're doing. So that is the removable top part. The whole thing is removable with a button under here. So this is super easy. By squeezing and pulling this, super easy to remove. So these two pieces just go back together like that and snap together. Really, really nice. Okay, so now we have the seating area. This is a nice padded, comfortable seating area, and it is poppered on at the back here. So I could remove this to launder this. When children are eating, it is everywhere. So this definitely needs to be removable. There's one thing I have about high chairs is I just don't like high chairs that don't have a removable seat pad for that reason. They need to be extremely wipeable or easy to remove to wash. So this is a fantastically easy, it just pops right back on. 5-point harness, which is pretty standard. And then on the sides here, under here, I think if I turn this around, you can see it a little easier. There is a button here and one on the other side. So this allows me to raise it up nice and high, or I can have it lower if I'd like to put it up to the table. So if I remove my tray as I have done, and then I want to have it a little bit lower so I can get Junior underneath, then we can push them right up and set them up to eat with the family. So I find that it covers a lot of different stages by having that raised and that lowered area as well. The footrest can go nice and high, or it can go down this way. There's no buttons to press. It literally just pulls up and it goes down. And as far as folding goes, there is a mechanism on the back here, which is a squeeze, and then you push forward. So this piece is going like that. If I turn you sideways, you can probably see really easily. So that goes down this way. And then there is a handle at the bottom that allows me to pull up that way. So this is what I have left, okay? So as far as high chairs go and the size of them when they're folded, this thing is super small and I really like it for that reason. The tray can also be put on so I can store the whole thing together. So maybe I store this at my parents' house, or I simply live in a small space and I don't want it out all the time. You can fold it up all together and just slide it in between, I don't know, a cupboard, underneath the stairs, wherever you're gonna put it, and bring it back super easily to be used again when you're actually wanting to feed. So there is some little grooves on the side here. And I have these, you won't be able to see them very well here, but this just sits nicely here. There we go. So that the whole thing is together. So this is the size. It's super light in weight. This is how it looks sideways. So you now know kind of the size, which actually in the industry is very unusual. I like how this folds. I like the weight of it, so taking it somewhere would not be a big chore. So there you go. There is the Baby Jogger City Bistro high chair. Totally love it. Love its compact fold. Love the price point. It's a really great price point. Definitely worth putting on the list if you're looking for something that's compact, easy, sleek, and foldable. My name is Karen Becker. I thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was handy. I hope it was useful. It is nice to get some basic information. This is totally unbiased information. I've been in the industry a long time, so I love to share my opinion and the facts about these products, and hopefully that helped you today make some form of a decision or move further with your decisions in your product choices. Have a great day and join me for tons of other different videos on my YouTube channel. Really helpful, and that is the goal. From the Baby Guru to you, have a good one.